Welcome to Sikabadu. So this is what Sikabadu is all about. We want to bring our diaspora together. We want to gather everyone so we can discuss and work together and contribute to this digital transformation we're going on.
I start to a point that I realize I'm not supporting entrepreneurs in my community. I'm feeling disconnected. How can I support? How can I bridge this knowledge to my community, Cabo Verde, and the continent, Africa? Not a lot of people had the opportunity to show up and share their expertise. So I really think, and now I'm excited about having a space like the Tech Park, because we can bring everything to a physical space, start building the network, start building the community.
We are bringing different programs to support this. First, create the community, then establish key instruments to support young entrepreneurs that want to bring live their idea through technology. It's an ongoing process, but instruments like Technological Park that will create a space to bring everyone together in the same environment. It's crucial for pushing forward this vision.
I think Cabo Verde governors and all the stakeholders there are in tune with it. If you saw the multi-annual program for 2021 to 2027, you can see there the partnership between Union European and Cabo Verde government. And they are enhancing the aligning services for better connectivity.
A lot of people don't know that Switzerland was once a very poor country. And 200 to 250 years ago, something big happened. It was a shift in labor, the industrialization. And with this shift, with this change, a lot of industries started growing. I think we are at the same point right now with technology, especially with AI, where labor will completely change. And I would say every single industry that is. And that's a big momentum or a big window of opportunities for small and agile countries.
We help startups from so early stage all the way through scale-ups. We do research into ecosystems, we do ecosystem building, private sector development, but we also do a lot of training programs. So in terms of capacity building, in terms of competencies and competencies. When I go to Africa, I meet amazing entrepreneurs. But what I do see is there's a gender disparity and there's a lot of stuff we still need to fix in terms of equity. And what we would like to do from our center is to shine a light on African giants, female giants that are showing the pathway for success.
But what I'm trying to do, especially for the non-EU startups, trying to facilitate their operations in Europe. With Africa, I generally affiliate with the East Africa. And I established a law school 7-8 years ago in Cyprus, and our students were from Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Rwanda, and that part.
I've always looked at people, from two perspectives: drive and intelligence. If you have the intelligence to learn things, you have the drive to will, then you can learn everything. So even if you have a startup you want, if I'm searching for people for startups, setting teams together, you have to talk to people. You can automate a lot of things, with AI, automation, marketing, and everything. But in the end, you have to talk to people.
Cape Verde is kind of a virgin place, but it's a virgin place that is not raw, in the sense that the infrastructures are there, that the will is there, and there are a lot of work that have been done by the public and private and governmental institutions. So it's pretty much set and ready, waiting. So I think the waiting is what makes us all get into a phase that you cannot wait anymore. Like the world cannot wait anymore. It's the same thing that AI is pushing us. So right now, Cape Verde is pushing us.
We are here because we wanted to share this dream of telling to Cape Verdeans that it's time to return. Bright minds, time to return. For us as government, our responsibility is to build the roads. That's why we are investing on infrastructures for this bright diaspora to return. It's a shared responsibility between the government to tell the things that we are doing, but also responsibility of the diaspora to know what is being done in Cabo Verde.